In this video, we will discuss the practical implementation of Git. What you are going to do is go to GitHub and create an account. For it, you will need an email address. After adding your email address, you will add your name, etc. Then set your password and then a page like this will open, okay? A page like this will open and what you will do is you will click on your repository here, okay? When you will click on your repo, a repository page will open. So what we are going to do in the first step is we are going to create a repo like how I have created a JavaScript project and JS project repo here for you. What you are going to do here is you are going to click on new. After clicking on new, you are going to give a name here. After getting a name, you are going to either select public or private and then create a repo. After creating the repo, the step that comes after is, if I open repo, after you make a repo, a page like this will open. And on this page, you will have commands. You can create repo by using command lines. You can push repo or you can initialize it. What you are going to do is you are going to remove this one, git remote, and then you are going to open your project. Like this is my project. Through git bash, you are going to this is my command git remote add origin. You are going to add link of it, like how I have given the link of JS project. You are going to give the link of the repo you have created. Mine is already created here. That is why it is not working here. 1 minute. We often have internet problems here, so it does not work. So I am getting a message that remote origin already exists. So it already exists and I am getting this message. So here this step is done, that a repo is created. Then you are going to open that project. After opening the project, if I revert my changes from here, this icon for opening a project is of source control. What you are going to do is here, first of all, for example, this is your code. I have written something here in its index.html, pin the body gg and then slash. Now when I go to source control here, it is giving me a change. So what I am going to do is I am going to stage this change. Staged, okay. And then I have to commit it. After committing it, what will happen is it will get stored in my own repo. It is master branch, so it will be stored in the master branch. So I have committed from here. So it has been committed. Now I will push it. It is being pushed into that branch. If you view it from the command palette, your branches may appear from here too. Okay. So what you are going to do is push to, and this is the branch origin you will push on it. Either push it directly, but if an error occurs in pushing directly, you can add push to, and the code link of that branch will appear also. So what will happen from it is it will be pushed. If we go and look in JS project, I go in repo, JS project. This was a repo that we had just created, so it is in assets, in index.html. Look 1 minute ago, and this is I had committed it 7 minutes ago. Okay, so my changes have appeared. So like this, what we can do is put changes in our project through Git.